Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. You need to begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Then scroll down again, click on Emergency Contacts and select Add Emergency Contact. Now select 3 desired one. Firstly, you need to tap on the first one, then click Add Emergency Contact again and do exactly the same to add a second one and third one. If you wish to delete one of them, tap on this red icon next to the one that you wish to get rid of and select the other one instead. Lastly, just make sure that this switcher next to Show Info when locked is blue. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!